So, hello guys, welcome to our channel. And it's me, Nancy Samal, and he is Shivam Raj. And today we will be discussing about the books, about the novels, about the storybooks. We'll be just knowing about these things. So, yeah, before starting this topic, let us know about ourselves. Okay, it's me, Nancy Samal, and I am from Odisha. I'm just studying at Bangalore, where I'm pursuing my BE in computer science engineering, and also I've done some internship as a web developer. I have gained two certificates from NPTEL, that is Responsible AI and System Design and Sustainability, and also like two certificates I got from Oracle Cloud and JP Morgan's, that is a simulation, that is a backend of we have done. And also we have done a full stack project, that is Evercard, and also we have done a MIT project, that is clean water and sanitation, and also we have done a stock prediction. That's it about me.
So, hello friends, me Shivam Raj from Nalanda Vihar, which is known for the one of the most ancient university in the world. Me, as a sixth semester computer science engineering student in SJVIT, learned some skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, IoT, Flutter, Python, and created some application. With the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I created a portfolio, about me project, and some clones. With the help of IoT, we created a mini project for clean water and sanitation to detect the impurity of water. Then, with the help of Flutter, we created a file manager application to manage and store data in it. Then, with React as a framework, front-end framework, we created a Evercart, which is also known as quick commerce application. So its front-end part is done, backend and database are remaining. Then right now working on backend part. There are two hackathons where I participated as a problem solving and one for full stack app development. So full stack app was a stock speed to create an application which will predict the stock's price for upcoming days. And there are two NPTEL courses where which I successfully passed. And those courses are Responsible AI, and second one is System Design and Sustainability. So yeah, that's all about me. Now working on backend part as I told. So let's discuss on our today's topic as a 25th day for 365-day challenge.
Okay, what do you think of books? Like, how many different types of books we have?
Books like normal books related to any branch like computer science engineering, normal books, then novel books, then self-help books. These are the types of book. Then some different type of books are magazines. Then yeah, that's it. These are the different types of books.
And which book, what is the difference between a storybook and novel book?
Okay, so novel book is a very big story. It may be science fiction or realistic, but most of the time it is science fiction story, not real story in novel book. But uh, a story book, novel is science fiction means non-realistic, but a story books having some moral values and some realistic values in our life. Like I will give you example like Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a self-help books related to financial help. So it will give you a knowledge about how money helps you to create money. Means money helps you to create new money. So these are the books which is related to self-help books. But novel like Galileo Galilei was a books novel book in 10th standard I learned. that a small there is a land of a small person, means very a small person, but a person went from different place. He was like 100 times bigger than that island persons. So it was related to novel, science fiction story or fictional story. It don't having some realistic values. It is just a story.
Okay. Then you told about the difference. So in novels, say me about the different types of novels and also explain like what they actually like in the stories. What will be there? Like what is that types?
Okay, different types of novels. So actually,
Yeah.
novel book are fictional stories, or most of the time, novel books are fictional stories. Mm, and every books are related to some incidents, means that example I told. uh, Different a person went to different island, having size of person is around 1 inch 2 inch, but the person who went to that place was around 100 times bigger than uh, that island people. So it is a kind of novel. Then different types of novels, like any story. Actually, I don't know about much more about it. I just know one book. That's I told.
Hmm. Okay.
Hmm.
And what is the benefit of reading these novels to those who are basically students like schools or colleges also and who are doing jobs? What is the benefit of they are reading the books? Like anything, it will be self-help or fiction stories or anything.
Novel books are not helpful. It is just for time pass. Novel
What?
books are not help. Novel books are not helpful as self-help books. Novel
Hmm.
books are just a story, not any moral values or something related to real life examples in it. It is just to read. That's it. Actually, self-help books are having much more valuable things. As I told, Rich Dad Poor Dad. In Rich Dad Poor Dad, you will understand how rich people are getting rich and poor getting more poorer.
Hmm.
Actually, it depends upon mindset.
But I can say that if anyone is basically reading the books, they also like no, they can basically get the benefit like communication will be better.
Communication will be better.
Yeah, like that.
But not,
Some
but
huh?
not, but not. It will not add any real world values in life for reading
But
novels.
some but yeah, but some books are they like self-help book that is little better I guess because I have studied something and I just understood like how to improve like this like that something it will
Hmm.
be there that can human can basically can improve something like from the book studying like
Okay.
they can gain basically the knowledge like okay this is all happened some of the novels like okay this is the incident it can be happened like future tense they can basically think
Hmm.
like I have studied this atomic habits book and I understood basically you should improve daily 1% every day then in 365 days you will be 365% more better than you are not doing and some
Hmm.
of the stories also there inside that they can learn
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah. So tell me which that book you are reading. explain something about what you
Okay,
read in that
how
book.
okay how much I've studied, I can say you like the book is Atomic Habit. That is a self-help book, and where this basically says that daily how to improve your habits. Like it can be anything, like you are studying or you are working or like anything. It will be like
Mm.
consistent matter. And in this book, they told like you should basically change every day, improve every day 1%. Like example, like you are today you are just sitting and doing coding, and tomorrow just you can improve. Like from tomorrow you can improve, like you can do cooking, otherwise you can do playing also, you can walk also, like new thing you should implement day by day. And also to reach your goal, you don't think about your goal directly, just think this small task, you can complete it slowly, you will go to the goal. If you just think directly, if you think about your goal, you cannot be completed that goal, because inside that we will be having sub task we will be having, so we have to complete that thing, right? Like example, we have main exam, like okay, we have main exam, SCE exam, and here like we have internal 1, internal 2, assignment. We cannot just think about the SCE directly, right? We have to think one by one, like we have to think about assignment first, then internals, then lastly it will come your goal, that is SCE, to pass or fail. To
Mm.
basically pass the SCE, you should be better in your internals and assignment also. That is the thing. Yeah, that much I
Okay.
have studied about that. And his stories, basically, I have just understood.
Mm. Okay.
Yes. And what about you? Like, which book are you studying? And explain me.
I am reading Zero to One,
Hmm.
which is
Explain about
related
that.
to a startups. So, and it was written by PayPal founder, that PayPal payment system founder.
Okay.
So in this book, actually, zero to one meaning is not zero to. It's initially I thought zero to one means nothing to something, but when I read
Hmm.
this book, uh, I understand that zero to one means invention. Zero to one means invention. One to n means copying something which is already existing in our society. So the meaning of zero to one is invention of new thing. So in that book, actually they are saying about how to start any startups, like that PayPal payment system was created around 20 30 years ago, 20 years ago. So at the time, there was no any payment system, online payment system. So they created a payment system with the help of Gmail. With the help
Hmm.
of Gmail, you can pay amount to someone, and that money will be transferred within seconds or minute, like UPI right now. So these are the things. Then actually, this book is a little hard to understand. Everything's are related to startups, and that explanation of a startups are little harder. So right now, getting few things like how to get investment, how to get money for our application, then how to do marketing, how to do.
Oh, do it in 0 to 1, do it have that all?
Hmm.
Oh, that makes it is good actually. Okay, you can continue.
So it's like how to do marketing, how to do sales, then how to get investment from billionaires. Then how to manage like there are only 10 companies who are holding 90% of the GDP. So these are the things I learned about from this book
What is
about now
GDP?
GDP value,
Oh.
gross domestic
Mm-hmm, okay.
GDP means, or you can say value. Now 10% companies holding 90% values. Like take example of Reliance and Adani in India.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all about this book. Zero. Actually, the main thing what I learned from this book is 0 to 1 meaning is invention. Initially, I thought 0 to 1 means nothing to some.
Oh, that means scientist. About scientist it is. See.
Or scientist or developer, you can say. He was a developer, that people founder. He created a
Oh,
new
okay.
application.
Mm-hmm.
So developer can also do invention. Created application with the help of their skills so that we can make payment. So it is also a invention.
Okay, good.
I also, how is it like reading books is better than watching video on YouTube? Means the same thing, same books you can watch on YouTube also. So what is the difference and how which one is beneficial?
Um, I can say like we can see in YouTube, but that will be like short term. You just can see it within half an hour. You can complete the book
Hmm.
if you want to see video, and if you want like all the things you want to read. Like if you are a reader, if you want to read, if you want to communication should be improved, or if you want no, I don't want to just complete it within 30 minutes. Instead of that, I will read daily and I will basically understand one by one. That is, you
Hmm.
can read your books directly instead of seeing videos. If you see videos in 1 or 2 days, you will be forgetting. That is for sure. If not in
Yeah,
1 week, you will just forget everything. If you read books daily, you will remember actually what is happening and all, and you will be like keeping your mind. It will be like store for many years, 1 or
correct.
many years. Yeah,
And one more thing I want to add, like reading books
yeah.
will not having any distraction, but watching video on YouTube having distraction. Maybe you can watch. You are watching a book, means listening a book, but after few seconds you lose interest and then watching different videos, comedy video. Maybe it happen.
Oh yeah,
So the main thing is distraction.
yeah,
So yeah, that's all about I guess today's topic. Anything else you want to
yeah.
add?
No, no, nothing. That's it for today.
So conclusion.
So you conclude the thing.
Okay, so today's topic conclusion is reading like as our topic, your favorite book and why you like it. So why books are better than YouTube? So first of all, distraction. You will not distracted while reading books, but while watching or listening any books on YouTube, you will be distracted. Then second, it will improve communication. Then it will give you more information as compared to listening any books, and you will be remembered things for long years. while reading books. And
Hmm.
reading books will help you to improve skills in any like self-help books. So financial education also it will give you, and it will improve confidence. While
Hmm.
reading book is not a easy thing. Reading will need concentration. After 1 minute, 10 minute, you will lose interest in reading books. So yeah,
Yeah,
these are the things.
actually, yeah. For me also, it's done. Like after 10 minutes, I will get distraction. Like, bus
Hmm.
ho gaya.
Hmm. So yeah, so that's all about today's topic. Bye bye. See you. Take care.
Bye bye, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.